Is your engine shaking or vibrating when stopped but smooths out as soon as you drive? This is a common issue, and today I'll show you how to fix it yourself. Picture this: you're at a red light, the car shakes, but once you accelerate, it's gone. Frustrating, right? This rough idle that disappears with speed usually points to a handful of specific, often easy-to-fix problems. I'll walk you through the 5 most common causes, from the simplest to the more involved. Grab your basic tools and follow along. We'll diagnose and fix this step by step. Let's pop the hood and get started. The number one cause of a rough idle is a dirty throttle body. When idling, the throttle plate is nearly closed, and carbon buildup can choke airflow, making your engine stumble and shake. As soon as you accelerate, the plate opens, and the problem vanishes. Cleaning it is easy. Turn off the engine, remove the air intake hose, and locate the throttle plate. Use throttle body cleaner on a microfiber towel. Never spray directly if it's electronic. Gently open the plate and wipe away all the black gunk until the metal shines. Reattach the hose, tighten the clamp, and start the engine. It may run rough for a few seconds, but should quickly settle into a smooth idle. This simple cleaning often solves the problem. If not, let's move to the next step. If cleaning didn't help, check your engine mounts. These rubber and metal mounts absorb engine vibrations. When they fail, you feel every shake in the cabin, especially at idle in gear. To check, have a friend watch the engine while you shift between drive and reverse with your foot on the brake. Excessive engine movement or clunking means a bad mount. Replacing a mount varies in difficulty, but identifying it is key. A failed mount not only causes vibrations, but can stress other components. Don't ignore it. Fixing a bad mount restores smoothness and prevents further damage. If mounts are good, let's check for air leaks. Next up, vacuum leaks. A vacuum leak lets unmetered air into the engine, throwing off the air-fuel mix and causing a shaky idle. Look for cracked or loose vacuum hoses around the intake manifold. Listen for hissing sounds with the engine running. If you can't spot the leak, spray carb cleaner, or use an unlit propane torch around suspect areas. An idle change means you've found the leak. Replace any cracked hoses or faulty gaskets. Fixing a vacuum leak often brings instant improvement. Still shaking? Let's check the ignition system. Next, we'll look for misfires. Here's how to spot and fix them. A misfire at idle causes rhythmic shaking and poor performance. Check for a check engine light. Codes P.300, P.3 indicate misfires. Use an OBD2 scanner to find the problem cylinder. Remove the ignition coil and spark plug from that cylinder. Replace worn or fouled plugs. If the plug looks fine, swap the coil with another cylinder and see if the misfire follows. If it does, replace the faulty coil. Always replace all spark plugs together for best results. Fixing a misfire usually restores a smooth idle. If the problem persists, let's check the fuel system. Next, dirty or failing fuel injectors. A dirty or failing fuel injector can cause a rough idle without triggering a check engine light. Try a high-quality fuel injector cleaner with P, add it to a nearly empty tank, fill up, and drive normally. If the idle improves after a tank, you've solved it. If not, the injector may need professional cleaning or replacement. Mechanics can pinpoint the bad injector with specialized tools, but for DIY, start with cleaner. Regular use of injector cleaner helps prevent this issue. Now, let's wrap up. By following these steps, your car should now idle smoothly. From cleaning the throttle body to checking mounts, leaks, ignition, and injectors, you've tackled the most common causes. Diagnosing issues logically saves time and money, and builds your confidence as a DIY mechanic. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more car repair guides. Drop a comment below. What car do you drive, and did this fix your rough idle? Thanks for watching, and see you next time.